Interior design tips, styling ideas, how-tos and tutorials. Introducing DesignBeau Masterclass. Hiya and welcome back to Series 2 Interior Design and Styling with DesignBeau. We will be designing this living room space. Let's go. So I'm going to start with the 3-seater at the back, and I feel just to frame out that section and soften up the hardware floors, I've got a big woven rug to add. So I thought I'd give you a little bit of an idea on some of the pieces I'll be using today. So this is a piece of artwork, bespoke artwork that I've done myself, using acrylics and different mediums to create a bit of texture. I went with a kind of royal blue colour, which I just love. White for extra contrast. Nice simple black frame and a white mount. I've actually got 2 of these. I'm not sure what I'll be doing in the scheme yet because I'm just going to fluke it. I will be doing a shelf as well in the back, so I'm going to go for some trailing plants. Concrete effect pot here, really simple, really cute, but really adds some texture to the scheme. Some beautiful light grey ribbed candles, pillar candles. Got a couple of books to use. These are really cool. These are actually my husband's. They've got black pages. These are really cute little tea light holders. Really cute, really small. Can be used really anywhere. Little faux plant here with a bit of gravel in. I love this one because it's got a little base. Great just to elevate the pot off the surface. This has to be one of my favourite trailing faux plants. You can pick these up at most high street stores. Cute little pot. It's white ceramic. It actually does have a bit of yarn on the top, so you can hang it as well from a ceiling hook or wall hook if it's, maybe a bracket. Bracket could be good. It's extra long. I especially like the colours. They have almost a grey undertone to them. Right, I'm going to start talking now, so let's get styling. So far you can see I have placed the large items. We have the rug on the floor, the large bespoke piece of artwork, and the ladder. I think I'll start with the sofa next, so I can get an idea of fabrics and throws I'm using to then help me decide what to use on these bookshelves. Have a lot of different throws that can be used in this scheme. This one is gorgeous. It's so soft. It's more of a cream or white colour as opposed to black and white. But again, these different tones and shades just help lift the palette and also make it a lot warmer. So now the sofa's styled, I'm going to go ahead and start on the ladder bookshelf. We're using these books and I'm going to use them page side out because they give a great aesthetic, nice clean black lines. Now this little tea light holder definitely needs to be mentioned. It is beautiful. My ceramic artichoke. So gorgeous, really neutral, glossy, will fit with most schemes. I think so anyway. So I am going to include this in today's styling. Using tips from my fireplace series, group items together, difference in heights, In the back there, I've rotated one of the books, put it down so I can stack things on there as well. You can always revisit my previous series and, you know, take those ideas and tips and follow them through into your next styling exercise. La 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 la. Feeling I need a bit of warmth in the scheme, so I'm going to try this wicker woven natural basket. Natural woven items are great. Add that bit of warmth. It's natural, it's textured, it's warm, it's useful. You can put your tea lights in there. Right, okay, so I feel like it's building up nicely. However, I'm not fully satisfied. What I do like, I love the combination of the green and the black and the whites, because we all know I love monochrome. And I'm loving the great use of white space in between the items. Creates a great canvas, brilliant background. However, not enjoying that wicker basket on that shelf. Thinking there's something else to pull it through into the design. Potentially put it on the bottom shelf. Let's see. More earthy, natural elements. Bit of pamphus, bit of buddy tails. Right, I'm feeling it more. Right, definitely feeling a bit more balanced about it. I think I need to mirror a little bit more of the trailing plants, maybe halfway down the bookshelf to create that balance. If one's on the left, maybe get another one to go on the right. I move the bigger hanging plant to the high shelf. Don't forget this needs to be styled too. I think it works great up there. It wasn't really working for me on the back wall, so hopefully in this area, when I dress the area around it, that will bring it all together. Adorable, love it. Black and white, green, what could go wrong? A little bee, some song lyrics. These are just lovely, simple. They're going to complement that artwork at the back there as well. I'm just thinking now maybe a little coffee table, create a little a little R&R section for us when we sit down having a little brew. I'm feeling we need a larger coffee table for more cups of tea, beverages, books, magazines. Love this seagrass tray, perfect for the coffee table. absolute must when I'm sat down chilling. Actually feeling a change around. Perfect. We've done it. This is the fully styled living room. I've worked up a bit of a sweat doing this one. Thank you for joining me in this styling masterclass. I hope you've gone away a little bit more aware of what you can achieve. I really hope you've liked it. I would love to keep making more content for you guys, so keep supporting, liking, sharing. It means the world to me. And join me next time on DesignBeau Interior Design and Styling Masterclass. Goodbye. Please give my channel a like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my website at www.designbeau.co.uk, where you can find more inspiration and my interior design services.